Okay, so right now, like literally right now, I have 5 Python scripts running on my computer that just work while I sleep. One backs up all my important files automatically, one watches prices on Amazon and texts me when stuff goes on sale, one organizes my messy downloads folder, one sends me weather updates every morning, and one keeps my desktop from becoming a disaster zone. Each one is under 15 lines of code, and combined, they probably save me like, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours every week. Today, I'm giving you all 5. Let's start with the one that literally saved me $300. Script number 1, price drop alerts. So I wanted to buy this monitor, right? But I didn't want to pay full price because, why would I? This script checks Amazon every hour and alerts me when the price drops below whatever target I set. I set it to $800. When it dropped to $749, I got an alert at like 2 a.m., bought it immediately, saved $50 while I was literally asleep. Just change the URL to any Amazon product, set your target price, run it hourly with a scheduler. Boom, you'll never overpay for anything again. Script 2, automatic backup. And look, I learned this the hard way. Lost like a week of work once when my hard drive decided to just die. Never again. This script copies my entire projects folder to a backup location every single night at 2 a.m. Uses Shoodle copy tree so it gets everything, including subfolders. Adds a timestamp so you have dated backups. Change the source and backup paths to your folders, schedule it to run daily, and your work is protected forever. It's like insurance, but actually useful. Script 3, download folder organizer. Okay, my downloads folder used to be, and I'm not exaggerating, an absolute disaster. Like hundreds of random files everywhere. Screenshots mixed with PDFs, mixed with memes, mixed with whatever. This script just sorts them. Images go to images, videos go to videos, documents go to documents. It creates the folders if they don't exist, moves everything automatically. I run it once a day and my downloads folder is just permanently organized now. It's actually kind of life-changing for something so simple. Script 4, weather alerts. Every morning at 7 a.m., this script just tells me what I need to know. Uses the free Open Weather Map API. You can get a key for free, takes like 2 seconds. Gets the temperature and description. If it says rain, it adds a bring an umbrella reminder. Under 50 degrees, wear a jacket. I wake up, check my phone, instantly know what to wear without opening 5 different apps. Simple, but honestly, saves me time every single day. Script 5, desktop cleaner. My desktop used to look like a bomb went off. Just hundreds of files. Screenshots, random downloads, notes I forgot about, total chaos. This script moves anything older than 7 days to an archive folder. Checks the last modified date. If it's old, it moves it. Doesn't delete anything, just moves it. So if you need it, it's still there. I run this every night and I wake up to a clean desktop every morning. It's genuinely peaceful. Now here's how you make these run automatically. On Mac or Linux, you use crontab. Open terminal, type crontab-e. Add a line for each script with the time you want it to run. 7*** means 7 a.m. every day. 02 means 2 a.m. 0* means every hour. On Windows, just search Task Scheduler and create a basic task. Set the time, point it to your Python script, done. Now they run forever without you doing anything. Set it and forget it. Your computer is working for you now. All right, so there you go. 5 Python scripts that just work while you sleep. Price alert so you never overpay, auto backup so you never lose your stuff, download organizer for clean folders, weather alert so you're never caught in the rain, desktop cleaner for a tidy workspace. All under 15 lines each. All the code is in the description. Just copy it, customize the paths, and you're good to go. If you want 5 more automation scripts, and I've got like 10 more ready to share, subscribe and drop a comment saying more. I'll make another one. See you in the next video.